Welcome, everybody. So, today we're going to do a really powerful practice called square breathing. And this practice has so many benefits in terms of how we control our breath and how we breathe. It has a huge effect as the breath slows and we start to learn how to retain the breath. It slows our heartbeat, and it also then slows our thoughts and our mind waves. So it has so many fantastic benefits around it. And the thing about it also, it helps us with our concentration because often, in the world we live in today, we're distracted with many different things. So it helps us be more focused so we can achieve more when we're doing the thing we really want to do. And it will also help you be more focused, whether it's in your activities in terms of using your body and getting the best out of it, because your lungs will get more powerful and you'll be able to retain more oxygen. The more oxygen goes to the blood, the more your muscles will be more active and be able to get stronger and sustain activities that you want them to do. So let's start with the essential practice of the square breathing. So think of it like a box. So you're going to inhale for a count of 4. We're going to hold the breath for a count of 4. We're going to exhale for a count of 4. And then we hold for a count of 4. So let's do that one more time. So you inhale for 4 through both nostrils. You hold for 4. You exhale for 4. And then you hold for 4 again. So it's a complete like box. So it's a really powerful way to help control your mind and slow the breath down. So should we give it a try? So let's sit nice and comfortably, get a nice comfortable position. Gently close your eyes. Exhale completely all the air out of your lungs. Now let's do it with the 4 count for the inhale. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Now hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. And hold, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. And hold, 2, 3, 4. Now inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold. In, hold, exhale, hold. Now do 3 more rounds on your own. One more. When you conclude, just resume your normal breathing. Keep the eyes closed. Just sit quietly for a few moments. And rest your knees. So the square breathing, amazing way to reduce your heartbeat, become more focused, strengthen your lungs, improve your concentration, and then helps you go deeper in your meditation or whatever activity you're pursuing. Be receptive and be compassionate to all beings.